Everyone, welcome back to another exciting day in mathematics. Whoop, whoop. Warm-up 84 is on the screen. Let's get started, please. Shouldn't take you long by now. Give you guys some time for that. Copy and go. All right, check with your neighbor, see what they got, so we can get the show on the road. Where are they at? See if they have something similar to you. All right, here we go. Number 1, simplify and round your answer to the nearest 10. What'd you get for that one? Net, what'd you get? 9.73. Now look up, guys. The 3 is in the 100th. So they want us to round to the nearest what? 10, so it stays at 9.7. 9.7. Hands if you got something like that. All right, not bad, not bad. Number 2, my quadratic function looks like this. My numbers are -2, 4, -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. And according to the transformations here, we have this and this, because this one's a 0, this is a 1. All right, pass someone, Annette. Abby, what are we doing with this? Flips, and it goes down 8 steps, so that means it's going to end up somewhere down here, upside down. Hands if you got something like that. All right, not bad, some of us. Let's go to number 3. Number 3, it says factor completely. This one completely factored. Show your neighbor. Abby's going to pass someone. What'd you get for 3A? 3A. All right, Abby, pass someone. Joseph, what'd you get? 5 parentheses. X plus 5. X minus 2. Hands if you got that. Looks about right. Joseph from the corner. All right, let's go to number 3B. I want the process for 3B just to make sure we got it. Show your neighbor what you did, and then Joseph's going to pass someone. 3B. All right. All right, the process. Pass someone, Joseph. Mario, what a surprise. All right. Oh, okay. He went straight to the Power Rangers. But the process is, check standard form. Is it in standard form? Yes. Is there a GCF? No. So therefore we go, he said 24 over 10. All right. What two numbers multiply give me 24 that when you add them give us 10? Bam. 6 and 4. That is correct. However, we do have a number as a lead coefficient, which is what? The 8. So we write that here and here. Therefore, can we reduce this to lower terms, guys? Yeah, divide by 2, and that is 4 over 3. So my factor is 4x plus 3. Can we reduce this one to lower terms? Yes. So if we divide by 4 top and bottom, we get what? 2 over 1. That means 2x plus 1. That is correct. Once again, this is the Escalante method. All right, let's go to number 4. Divide using synthetic division. Let me move this over so like that we have space to show the process. All right. Show your neighbor what you got, and then Mario's going to pass it to someone. Mario, pass someone. Caitlin, process, go. Is it in standard form order? Let's check. This is 4th degree, 3rd degree, 2nd degree, 0 degree. Is it in standard form? Yes. But is there a missing degree? Yes, the 1. So make sure you write it in there and box it because we're going to need that. Is this one in standard form? 1, 0? Yes. So therefore, what do I do next? Pass someone? Mario, next. Yeah, put that equal to 0. So minus 1, x equals negative 1. That's our divisor. Next, I need numbers to write here. Tell your neighbor what you would write right there. Mario, pass someone. Gio.
7, 2, negative 3, 0, and 1.
Ooh. Let's go. Bring down the 7. This is going to go pretty fast. Here it goes. Negative 1 times 7, that's negative 7. Combine, that's negative 5. Negative 1 times negative 5, that is 5. Combine, that is 2. Negative 1 times 2, that's negative 2. Combine, that's still negative 2. Negative 1 times negative 2, that's 2. Combine, that leaves us with 1. And we label that R for remainder. Therefore, how do I write my answer? If we started off with a 4th degree, what is this one, Geo? Cubed, yes, 7x cubed, which means that one is negative 5x squared, which means that one is 2x, which means that one's without a variable, it's our constant. Then we add the remainder, which is 1 over x plus 1. Now, I'm giving you guys plenty of practice with this on the warm-ups. I appreciate you guys getting here right away to do the work. Because, like I'm telling you, next week, concepts are going to be coming like this. Watch. And some of you are going to be like, my goodness. Bah! Let's go to number 5. Graph. Help me graph that one. Pass someone, Gio. Joseph. Like. Go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw your line straight. There it is. How about this one? Left 2 on the X. And a line straight through that. Hands if you got that by yourself. Yeah, we got this, right? All right. Send that in, please. Some of you that still have not, send that in. And the rest of us copy the agenda. Warm-up number 84, parabolas. Hopefully for tonight, 4 problems of parabolas only. Some of you are sending that in. Very good. And that one is not going on Canvas. That's a gift from me to you, being that we're almost in Valentine's. Aww. There it is, yeah. However, I did want to address, is this being recorded? Yes, it's being recorded. I did want to address, I was waiting for some of you that are behind with your pop parties. I don't know what's going on. Maybe you're a Power Ranger and you haven't told me. You're saving the world. So I uploaded the first one on complex numbers. So go to Canvas really quick. Go check your score. Those of you that did not take it, I put a 0. I've been here in the mornings, people. Retakes. Been here in the mornings. Been here after school for tutoring. This afternoon I'm going to upload the second one, which is on circles, on quizzes as well. So some of you need to act like tomatoes. All right. Tonight's home plate looks something like this. Only 4 of them. Should be an expert by now. All right, once you see your grade and your stuff, make sure, I don't know what to say, act like tomatoes. Get it done. All right, get a Cornell note ready, please. Let's get this show on the road. And just FYI, the end of the quarter's coming in quick, so I don't know if you noticed, we're almost done with February. We got a 3-day weekend coming up. Then next week, another 3-day weekend. What? You're like, what? Yeah, because of the fair, we have Friday off, right? The last Friday of February. They canceled it? The Friday off? Really? They haven't told us anything. All right, here we go. I can write and graph a quadratic equation of a parabola. So by now we are experts at all of this, yes? So turn to your neighbor, let them know in your own words, what is a parabola? What is a parabola? Without looking at your notes. All right, very good. So type it on your screen. Parabola, your own words, just definition. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. You should have written the keyword equidistant or something to the effect. There it is. Yeah, we good? All right. From there, we talked to you about deriving the equation that we were going to use, which is that one, x squared equals 4py, standard form. Then I showed you the both vertical and horizontal, and I said we're only going to stick to the top 2 formulas. Yes? From there, we moved on to some examples. Example 1. Then example 1Q. From there, we did some more examples. We've spent this already a couple of days, which hopefully you did the extra practice. And also, quick note, by the way, once again, it's being recorded. As we approach the end of the quarter, moving on to the 4th quarter, I'm going to be taking less home plates, collecting less home plates, but instead giving you what? You know, to make sure that I know that you practice. So what do you think I'm going to do? Talk it over to your neighbor. Oh yeah, this is a chessboard game right here, not tic-tac-toe. It's so enough GPT or whatever it is you guys use. My goodness. All right, from there we went to something like this for home plate and so on and so forth. So on your screen, look up to the screen, it reads, write the equation of the parabola passing through the point of origin. So not on your paper, on your screen. Type it in there, please. If you are having difficulty seeing it, talk it over to your neighbor. Let them know what equation you would start writing for that. Start writing, which equation do we start writing for that? Go. I'm going to pause the music to make sure we think it through. Look up to the screen. Here it goes. Look up, please. My goodness. That's right. All right. So, now, obviously by now, you should know that if a parabola opens like this, that we've been doing on the warm-ups all year, that means it starts with what? X squared. Yes? Now, what's left for the standard form equation? 4py. Now, if you don't see it, look up, please. What are the 2 components that we need? We need a focus and a directrix. A directrix, yes? So what is my focus? Focus is 0, 1. 0, 1. What is my directrix, guys? Negative 1 of what? Y. Y equals negative 1. So by looking at the directrix, if it starts with y equals, what do we write? X squared equals 4py. Now, am I done? No, because I still need to write the equation for the parabola. How do I write that, Mr. Q? Well, x squared equals 4 parentheses y. What goes there? GO 1. Therefore, my equation for that parabola is x squared equals 4y. Not bad. Let's try it again. Once again, this is all on the screen, not on paper. If you want to take notes, that's fine. Here goes another one. Talk it over your neighbor. Let them know what equation you would write for that one, and then finish writing the equation using the focus and directrix. Go. All right, pause the music. Here we go. So, for this one, let's see. What is our focus, Ashlyn? Negative 1, 0. That is correct. And what is our directrix? X equals 1. So, hands if you saw that. All right, so therefore, if it starts with x equals 1 for the directrix, what equation did you use? Pass that one, Ashlyn. Kelly. Oh, right here. Equation, Kelly. Y squared equals 4. Just give me the first one first before we transform it. 4 px. Okay. Hands, have you got it to right there? Yeah. And then from there, y squared equals 4 parentheses x. So what value do I substitute in there? Pass that one, Kelly. Negative 1. So therefore, my standard form equation for that parabola is negative 4. Y squared equals negative 4x. Hands, have you got that? All right. I think we got it, yes? All right. This next one, I do want you to do the work on paper, please. There it is. There's your new graph. Write the information that you need, and I want you to write me the equation. After that, send me a picture of your work. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here goes one from one of your colleagues. Looks about right. Check your work on your screen. Hands, have you got that? All right. Not bad, not bad. All right. Shall we continue? Example 3 megacube. Do that one on paper as well, and then send me your work as soon as you're done. And go. All right. Not bad, not bad. So, this one looks kind of nice and neat. Let's see if you got something like this. Yes? Kind of, sort of, yeah? All right. So, pretty good, pretty good. Shall we continue? Here we go. Number 4 on paper. And it reads, write the equation of the parabola passing through the point of origin, then graph the parabola. Now for this one, look up please. on paper, write me your equation completely. Then I want you to, on the screen, graph the parabola, kind of like guesstimate, without a table. How would it look without a table? All right? With that said, let me send you the screen. Go. Once again, the work for the equation on paper. And then after that, I want you to graph me the parabola on the screen without a table. Just kind of guesstimate where we're going to end up with. Go. From an anonymous one from one of your colleagues. Looks about right. See if you have something similar to that on your screen. Yeah, kind of, sort of, yeah. You should have gotten x squared equals 16y. Now, the graph is a little bit, I said guesstimate. I'll take that. However, I did want to show you guys that. Look at everybody else's graph. Wow. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. One arrow only? What? Okay, more detail. Nice. What do you guys notice? It's opening towards what? Towards the focus. If you open away from the focus, then that means you made a mistake. It's towards the focus. All right, not bad, not bad. Let's go to the next one. Here we go, example 4Q. Again, on paper, write me the equation, and then without a table, graph me the parabola on your screen, and go. Those one from one of your colleagues on your screen. Check your work. It looks like they wrote x squared equals 10y. What's the only thing missing on that 10y? Tell your neighbor. The negative 10y. Now, for those of you that don't see it, why negative? Because it's opening in which direction, everyone? Down. When it's opening down, it's negative. When it's opening up, it's positive. All right? Not bad, not bad. All right. So from 1 to 5, I'll come to you with parabolas. We went from just giving you a focus and a directrix. You did the equation and all that. You graphed it directly. And now I give you guys extra practice another day. And today we went from the graph to the equation. Okay? All right. So with that said, let me send you a blank screen. Sketch me an emoji, and from 1 to 5, how comfortable are you with parabolas? Go. Once again, the home play access, in case you didn't copy the code, there it is, U35AT, U35AT, or you can go to the YouTube channel and look at the video lesson one more time, and it should be in there, which is right there. All right? I'll stop the video right there. Make sure you put some practice in. See you guys next time. Peace.